Hey guys, Thunder E here, and I finally got to see the Moto G7 series. So meet the devices right here. Now Motorola has announced 3 G7s. There is the Moto G7 Play, the Moto G7 Power, and the Moto G7. Now the price range starts from $129 to $299, so $300. Now what's similar with all the devices is that they all powered by the Snapdragon 632 processor, and they all have USB Type-C ports. Yes, even the Play at $129 has a USB Type-C port. What's different with all 3 devices? Now the Moto G7 Play is 5.7 inches. It's got a 720p display. It is $129. It comes with 2 gigs of RAM, and it is running, of course, Android 9. Really compact, 3,000 milliamp battery. It's something to be a really entry-level smartphone for $129. Then you go to the Power. Now the Power packs in a 5,000 milliamp battery. It's got a display that is 1080p. The aspect ratio is 19:9, so it's got a notch. Both devices, the Play and the Power, have a notch. Display size is 6.2 inches. And of course, you know, it's powered by Android Pie, and there is no overlay on this thing. It's got a nice, massive battery in there. Should last you at least 3 days, according to Motorola. And then the final device is the Moto G7. It has a much more sleeker design here. The variant colors are white and black. You can see the kind of like chrome-like finish, the dual camera, 12 megapixel camera setup on there. Now, all 3 devices have fingerprint sensors at the back with the Motorola logo, as you can see. The other thing that's also differentiated with this device is it does have a 4,000 milliamp battery, and it's got a dimple notch for the camera in the very front. The camera software has some new things like cinematograph and things like that. And again, this is priced at $299. Now it's really interesting to see how Motorola has kind of separated all these. Of course, with, you know, we've got like the G7, which is our Storm device, the Power, which is basically Juggernaut, and of course we've got the Play, which is kind of like Jubilee. Again, the wallpapers there. I'll try and find those wallpapers for you guys and put in this video because I found them on the spot. Now, other things to note is the fact that all 3 devices do have, of course, the turbocharging, which gives you basically 9 hours of battery life in basically 15 minutes of charging. So that is nice with this device, especially with that Power version, which has a 5,000 milliamp battery. At least you can quickly charge it to get going if you fully depleted it after 3 days. So that is the brand new Moto G line, the G Play, which is affordable, entry at $129. You've got the G Power, which is your longevity, power-packed device that has long battery life and a massive battery as well at 5,000 milliamps. And of course the G7, which should give you at least better performance in terms of camera and other features on this device. Also includes Dolby Atmos audio as well. So if you have any questions or any comments about the brand new Moto G line, G7, G Play, as well as also G Power, let us know. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to like and share this video. Favorite this video, definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon to get notified with our latest videos. This is Thunder E saying thank you and always enjoy your entertainment. My voice is slowly coming back. Sorry.